Welcome back, peeps, to Hobbies and Gadgets. So today we're going to talk about the lovely female caravan board. Caravan board.
Got me thinking on better days.
Or motorhome board. And obviously I got this as a bargain. I did calculate the price wrong in my last video. I told you 300 quid for the whole lot with a roof, but that was wrong. Let me give you a little look around and I'll tell you while I explain and stuff. So obviously in my last video I said to you it's £300 or £270 or something like that for all the boards and the roof, but I miscalculated that, peeps. It's £270 for all this. So all the sides are done in the van. So I'm going to buy white now for the top, because I was going to put the same colour on the roof, but I'm happy that I'm going to put white because it'll like break down the colour, because obviously I've got that blue passenger seat, what I definitely need, and I do like the blue one, it looks pretty nice. So I've got something else coming tomorrow, and that's the same colour, blue and black. So that'll be in my next video. But let me talk about the boards. The boards are really easy to install. They are lightweight, peeps. Really light. Trust me, I don't know what my van weighs now, but I'm telling you now, with that ton and groove out of here, this van is light. Lighty, bitey. Okay, so the trimmings on the boards was a pain in the arse. And why I'm saying it's a pain in the arse, obviously the walls are not straight, right? So it curves with the van. Over here and I can show you what I'm talking about. There you go, you can see the van goes like that. Whoop. It makes the van look so big in here, Pete. This is a VW Crafter, yeah? So don't say it's a Arctic. So, the trimmings. The problems I had, when I put the main trim on, this one what hides the actual, the crease, or the join, that was no problem. But when you connect, where is it? This to it, it will pop off. So what I did, I put a screw right at the top, and all I done, I ran glue down the trim, and I used this glue and this activator, so that goes solid straight away, and that's all I done. So now they don't pop off. That one was a pain in the ass, to be honest. These ones look really good. There, and I've got to do one more, but I'm going to put my control panel in that board, and I've started some of the electric. As you see down there, I've got my inverter installed now. My solar's hooked up, and all I've done over there, I've got 2x2, done 45 degrees angle, and I've got it like, on an angle obviously. And all I've done, I used Gorilla Glue, because I didn't want to drill no holes to the bodywork or anything like that, and that is rock solid over there. So I've been working on the electrics as well. I upgraded the 240 volt cable was over there. I've got to neaten that up, but obviously I've been working on the shower area as well. So I've upgraded that wire, and I'm thinking about, the where is it? The Consumer down there, the 240 Consumer. I'm thinking about wiring up my split charger straight to one of those relay switches, so I can switch it off and on there and charge up my batteries in the front of the cabin. That's what I'm thinking about doing, but I'll see what I'm going to do with that. The shower's coming along. I just ran out of some of this lovely cladding. I'll buy some more. The toilet's installed. I haven't got the electric running to it yet, so I haven't done a review, but this is the toilet what I can get pretty cheap. So I think he actually knocked down the price as well. I think he only wants £300 for him now. I can't remember what he said, but he did send me an email. But yeah, I'll let you know, just confirm that, but I think he only wants 300 quid for him now. So yeah, you get a bit of a more discount there. This one is the electric one as well. And the toilet came mint to me, peeps. It was proper wrapped with bubble wrap. Obviously it doesn't have the boxes, but and it comes with a cassette as well, down there. Yeah. So the bunk bed area is coming along. I've just got to do some more trimmings on the other side. I've got to do the pull out here, the slide out. And my son's bed underneath, what folds down, just waiting for a few more things. and then I have a little tiny garage area underneath. But while we're not using that, that can go back out, and you know, you can put a bike under there. And this side, I'm thinking about putting like a lid on top of the toilet and shower, so when we're not using it, you know, I can actually, well, my son or someone can sleep on there, or whatever, or my newborn can sleep on top of it. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to give you another little update because I've got something good coming in here, and with my calculations, it's going to make this van pop, and it's going to make it look wicked. Because I don't want too much wood in here, peeps. I want the van to look like homely, if you know what I mean. I don't want it to look like a DIY full of cladding. That's why I took all the cladding out. I want it to look like professional, you know what I mean. So the only thing at the moment what you can see with woodwork is obviously the bumper area at the top, but you won't see that when you've got a mattress on top, and the inside will be, you know, all nicely done. I'm just waiting for a planer as well to plane it, you know, and all that kind of stuff. And the shower area, you won't see none of the wood in there because that will be all boxed off. Obviously the ceiling will be done soon. I'm waiting for some lights, some more gadgets what I'm going to put into the van. I've got another VW sign, but it's the one that goes onto the back door and it lights up red. My solar is doing wicked, as you can see up there. Look at that. Flashing. I might have to add a few more batteries to the system. I am going to add another solar as well, because I'm going to leave my fridge and my freezer always running. That freezer down there, or fridge, you know, I've done a review on that, so you can go and check that out. Let me check that oven actually. Let me check this oven while I'm here, so we can do a test on my inverter. Because when I first had that inverter, it worked straight away with their cables, and obviously I had that on a long cable. It was like, I don't know, 5 meter cable, and I lost a lot of power, so it wasn't powering up the oven. So let me see if it's going to power it up now. Obviously it's not their cables, it's still my same cables, but they're shorter, so it should work. Let's put it on high as well. Oh yes, it's working on high setting. There you go. Bloody hell, it dropped though. So you don't need a sine wave, peeps. It's gone down to 10.9. Let me check over here. Oh, it's working now, so I'm happy with that. 12.5 now. Wow. I'm happy with that. It's working. Yep, it's working. So let me switch that off. Bloody hell, I can smell like the wood. Obviously when I've been cutting with the sawdust, and that's been getting into the vents, and that is starting to cook the sawdust. Okay, let me switch this thing off. Come on, switch off. There you go. Oh, I'm chuffed with that now. At least I know that works. So that's about it, peeps. So Hobbies and Gadgets now going to sign out. If there's any questions on the boards or where I got them, they're in my previous video. I can tell you today, because obviously I haven't really done much in the van. I'm still waiting for items. Stuff I'm trying to buy is just rare to get some of the stuff. I've got the water tanks installed underneath the van as well. It's filled up. The only thing I've got to do is connect the waste tank and the shower to the waste tank what's on this side underneath the van. And that's about it. But yes, I'm really chuffed with that now. So, Hobbies and Gadgets signing out. And don't forget to put the thumbs up. Peace out.
Got me thinking on better days.